Welcome! If you're looking to enable Clipboard permissions for the Instagram app on your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the process, making it easy for you to copy and paste content on Instagram without any hassle. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see 3 dots. Click on them. This will open up a menu with several options. From this menu, select App Info. This will take you directly to the settings page for the Instagram app. Here you'll find a variety of options to customize your app experience. What you need to do next is enter the Settings section. This is where you can manage permissions and other important features for the app. Inside the settings, scroll down and look for the option labeled More Settings and Permissions. Click on this to expand additional permission controls. Here, you'll see a list of different permissions that the app can request or use, such as camera, microphone, and of course, clipboard access. Now, find the clipboard option on this list. Next to it, you'll see a toggle or a drop-down menu. Simply choose Allow. This action grants the Instagram app permission to access your clipboard, enabling you to copy and paste text, links, or other content seamlessly within the app. And that's it. You've successfully allowed Clipboard permission for Instagram on your PC. With this setting enabled, you can now enjoy a smoother experience when sharing content, replying to messages, or posting updates. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy Instagramming!